What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best gardening gloves in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the lined premium pigskin leather work and ski gloves. These gloves are made of water-repellent pigskin leather and designed to provide warmth and comfort while doing yard work, gardening, handling hot tools, and more. The insulated lining retains heat, while the breathable spandex back prevents overheating. The knit wrist cuff fits snugly around the wrist, keeping out dirt and debris. And the non-slip grip provides a comfortable, confident hold. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Just for Kids work and gardening gloves. This Just for Kids work and gardening glove is perfect for maximum activities including gardening, playing, sports, yard work, and more. It is made of 100% cotton and 100% cowhide leather. It provides abrasion resistant for many outdoor applications and very soft to wear. The rubberized safety cuff also easy to put on and off. This wonderfully designed glove is designed specifically for kids. At number 3 on our list, we have the Bellingham KT 3100 XS Garden Grip Kid Tough Work Gloves. If you have a little helper in the garden, these kid-sized gloves are designed to keep them comfortable and safe. Although intended for children, the small size, X small, will fit most adults well. These gloves are made of durable synthetic rubber and cotton with a polyester liner. They have a flexible ergonomic design that allows hands to breathe for a cool feel. The snug fit wrist improves comfort and reduces hand fatigue, and the yellow knit matches the glove's bright green palms and fingertips. The palm coating is a special treatment that makes it more robust, but the surface is still flexible enough to allow you to feel what you're doing. The reinforced fingers and palm provide extra durability and grip that you don't kid. Tough gardening gloves are constructed of up to 2.5 mm thick leather with full-grain leather palm and fingers. The gloves are stitched with fiber thread that is triple dipped for extra durable seams. The gloves also feature a triple-layer leather construction of the palm to provide protection to the hand. There are also padded knuckles and a slotted thumb for added grip. The gloves resist the toughest of works and are water, oil, and mildew resistant. At number 2 on our list, we have the Eschert Design Children's Garden Gloves. These bright green gardening gloves are perfect for kids. The gloves are made from non-toxic, flexible, lightweight neoprene, which is very easy to clean and maintain. The gloves also feature lots of mesh vents to keep hands ventilated and cool during wear. The gloves have a Velcro closure for easy on and off. Child-sized, lightweight and breathable, these gloves feature a garden-friendly hook thumb and a special strap that keeps them from falling off. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Kids Work and Garden Gloves with Safety Cuff. The work and garden gloves are durable, comfortable, and fit for a variety of tasks. The cotton-lined palms feature grip dots for extra traction, reinforced fingers and knuckles for extra durability, and easy to clean. The adjustable Velcro cuffs are perfect for a snugger fit and help prevent dirt from getting inside. Available in 3 sizes. They are constructed for those lovely little hands with a wide range of motion and soft durable leather to prevent abrasions. Protect your 5-year-old from thorns, bugs, and dirt with these Kids Work and Garden Gloves with a safety cuff. Its fun colors are sure to keep your kids active and engaged in outdoor activities all summer long. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.